After everything that has been said, been written, and we as public know about Itumeleng Khune, the #1 goalkeeper, this got me thinking, is really Itumeleng Khune cursed? Is really Itumeleng Khune cursed? Uqalekisiwe yini? Wenzeni? What he did to be cursed? The last time we had a player whom everything was working against him was Teko Modise. We all know what happened to Teko Modise. Now, this boy, Itumeleng Khune, is drowning. Is really drowning. Is he cursed? Before we dwell into it, please subscribe in our YouTube channel and also put a notification bell so that whenever we post new videos, you get a notification. Okay, let's dwell it. My name is Kukoma. Guys, Itumeleng Khune, we all know. It's in the public domain now. Ukuthi yena nonkosikazi wakhe usiphelele bahlukene. Not officially, but usiphelele uthathe impahla zakhe wathatha nengane wabuyela emuva eDurban KwaZulu-Natal. Washiya uKhune. While uKhune is going through a lot, is mourning because of the death of his sister. Usisi wakhe siyazi ukuthi utholakale eshile endlini i-backroom yangemuva eshile engqongqile. So enakaperforming ke nakahle with Kaizer Chiefs, and people have been backlashing and saying all sort of names about him. And kwavela futhi nanokuthi kunomthetho kwi-Chiefs noma o-applyiwe kuyena ukuthi angasaposta noma yini, engasathinta ifoni yakhe during match times, engasaposta noma yini kuma-social media platform akhe, so that ezofocusa because unenkinga la mfana, unenkinga. The last time we had a player onenkinga njengo-Itumeleng Khune was the time of Teko Modise. Yes, Teko Modise. Teko Modise, we remember him a superstar that South Africa ever produced. You remember him? You remember? Esadlaleli Pakapaka, Orlando Pirates. Then what happened to him? Waba ne public divorce nonkosikazi wakhe, which landed him ukuthi ahlukane noma nonkosikazi wakhe. Yes, divorce phela yenza njalo vele, niyahlukana. Waphucwa yonke into, awungithi everything. Umuzi wamlahlekela umuzi, waqala waphuza, drinking habits, wenza all sort of things. So khumbula ukuthi on his retirement upublish incwadi ebhalwe ngaye ethi The Curse of Teko Modise. So this got me thinking ukuthi lesi siqalekiso ushiye noKhune yini ebholeni lase-South Africa, lelo kubhedelwa izinto ngalolu hlobo. Yes, you are making money, but your personal life iyabheda. Lesiqalekiso washiya noKhune yini. Ngiza ngahleka the other time because ngangibuka ivideo ka Teko Modise esho ukuthi benoKhune they had a beef ukuthi uKhune wayesho njalo ethi wena Tiko noma ngaba istar kodwa ngisoze wangikorela mina. And that got into personal, personal kakhulu leyo nto leyo kuTeko Modise ukuthi lo mfana lo engathi mina ngeke ngimkorele yini le ngaka ngayo. So Teko is no more in our South African football as he retired, but nangu mfana omncane Itumeleng Khune ebhekene nenkinga engaka. Ushiwe naso inisiqalekiso. Yini lengaka yenzile? Angazi bafowethu. Bengizothi comment down below, but we had a deal ukuthi ngizoyivula i-comment section mesifika 1000 subscribers. So as pushing guys, if you are watching this video, please subscribe in our YouTube channel and also put the notification bell so that whenever we post new videos, you get a notification. We're posting wire. I've got time now. I'm done with my exams. I'm done. My book is published. So I'm done. I'm free. So I'm posting wire. So please put a notification bell so that whenever I post, you get a notification. My name is Kukoma. Thank you so much, guys.